Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you doing well. What a special occasion. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I'm very happy to talk about myself today. I have been looking forward to this moment for a long time. My name is Thang. I'm 18 years old. I come from Busan City. Now, let me tell you a little bit about my family. I have a very happy family. My dad is a, my dad is a great man. He has fantastic job. My mom is a wonderful woman. She is cooking very well. My parents love me so much. My family supports me in good times and bad times. Now I will talk about four sounds in the IPA chart. It is ch, 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 z, 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 k, 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 g, g, g. Number one, catch, catch, catch. Sorry, I didn't catch what you said. Sorry, I didn't catch what you said. Sorry, I didn't catch what you said. Number two, choose, 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 choose. Which one do you choose? Which one do you choose? Number three, joke, joke, joke. Are you joking me? Are you joking me? Are you joking me? Number four, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. I really enjoy speaking English. I really enjoy speaking English. I really enjoy speaking English. English. I really enjoy speaking English. Number five. Number five. Black, 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 black. Look at the black banner. Look at the black banner. Number six. Cake, cake, cake. I'll make a cake for you. I'll make a cake for you. I'll make a cake for you. Number seven. Hungry, hungry, hungry. Is anything Is anyone getting hungry? 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 Ghost, ghost. Number eight. Ghost, 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 ghost. Do you believe in ghost? 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 Do you believe in ghosts? Thank you so much. Bye bye.